Hello guys, welcome to Overflowing Wealth. Yes, I choose to talk about some of the feedback I got from people on my last video talking about starting a business and starting them small. You see, let me tell you something, and it's very important for you to notice this. People talk about they have been in a particular level, there's what they've been doing big before, but now that things are not working, for them to now start small, or start a popcorn business, or start a soft drink business, or start one of those small businesses I talked about, they feel it looks somehow to them, or how will people see them? Let me tell you something. It's not about the people now. It's not about how people see you. Either you do big or small, people will eventually see you. Now what matters is in the course of time, from when you start and where you get to eventually, will people be able to see and measure your growth? Will people be able to see and measure the difference? It's all about that. Check the banks, check the network providers. How much do you think they charge? You charge little amount to your money, because you keep your money there, you still get your money. In fact, you still get your money with interest. How much do they charge you? Little amount, but they are making a whole lot of money. Look at the network providers. You make calls, they charge you little amount of money. They are making it. That's how it goes. They charge little amount, so the profit you make might not be that big, but if it's consistent and you are growing it, in no time you will be there. So please, this is very, very important. First is not about the people, it's about you. Look at it. Every day you eat, every day you spend money, but no money is coming in. You see that? So the idea is, no matter how small it is, are you making money while you are spending money? Are you making money while you are spending money? Even if what you are spending is more than what you are making, of course that's fine. You have to grow with fine. So the idea is you need to start something. And I said something in the previous video. I told you that you don't have to be the one to even sit with the businesses. The idea comes, you start the business, you introduce it to people, then you find someone who can help you start with it. For example, take the popcorn business or the table water and the soft drink. You start it, you just get somebody who can sit there and sell for you. Then you just pay the person part of the profit, then you make up good money. And with time, you can expand, look for 2, 3, 4, 5 strategic positions you can post the businesses and grow them with time. So the idea is you growing the business. It's not just starting it small and keeping it that way. No, the idea is growing the business. Everybody, look at everybody that has made it in life. They will tell you how they started in their garage and they now build a big conglomerate. They'll tell you how they start small with their one laptop somewhere. Now they build a conglomerate. They tell you how they start small with their small car. Now they now have many other cars. Now this is life for you. What you don't start, you can't finish it. So it's so important that you start out. Now the point is, no matter how small you start, you should have the big picture in your mind and work towards them. The danger part now is this, that you don't start out at all. Not starting out at all in fear. How will it be? What will people say? How much will I make? It won't be enough. Now that is the deception. And you don't have to make it a self-deception, because if you don't start it, in the next 1 year, you will still be at the same position. And others who start will have overtaken you, and you will still have to start eventually. Some people want to get big money. Of course, if you see it big, then you can start it big. But while you wait for the big to come, why not start with what you have? So check all my videos, check the videos. I put some ideas there for you with what you can start with. In your environment, in your local community, with your friends online, with your family and friends, they will help you with this. That's why we have them. They will help you with the starting out of the new business ideas. Then you can grow it with time so that you can expand the business. Please check them. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notification button so that you can be the first to get the videos when I post them. And then please write in the comment section below if you have anything you want to ask, or if you have any idea, a particular business you want to start that you need a guide on. Then in the description below I have my WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group, post your business there, post your questions, then I will attend to them, I assure you. And please make sure that you start something today so that you can start making money for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Stay in and overflowing well.